Wanted to give you a quick garden update. It is the first week in July 2025, and all the zinnias are definitely popping. I've got 3 or 4 different kinds in here and a volunteer tomatillo, which I probably won't get any tomatillos off of. That's a queen lime zinnia. I don't know what that one is, but it's really pretty. It might be a queen lime too. The sunflowers are starting to come out, and this was one of the shorter ones so that I could show you. And it's not even fully bloomed yet, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And my volunteer, what I think is Potamarian squash, maybe, I don't know. It's all over the huckleberry, so I'll have to leave that in and see what it becomes. And those are Kentucky Wonder, my mustard, of course, which is one of the greens I like to do. Still trying to do corn, even though I've never been successful at it. Lots of okra, about 3 different kinds of okra. That loofah is just popping off. Those leaves are way bigger than my hand. They're probably bigger than both my hands put together. And we've got cucumbers coming in. Those leaves are also huge too. I think those are Boston pickling, but I do have 3 different varieties in there. That is my Malabar spinach, which is another green I grow in the summer. It loves the heat. Look at that loofah, it's just huge. And the crepe myrtle is just weighted down with flowers. It is just like a weeping willow. So it's getting really hot. It has been rainy and cool so far, but I need to make sure that I'm mulching. And my preferred mulch is garden straw. I usually put about a 2-inch layer all over my bed around this time of year. It biodegrades really well, and I also use it in my composting as well. If you would like to learn more about what I do, please visit me at www.fibermaiden.com or anywhere on the internet, fibermaiden, all one word. I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day.